having such a
Where's
snack?
Mama?
Right here next to you.
Where's Mama?
I'm right here. I'm right here.
See the elephant?
Yeah.
Let's take it.
Isn't that cool?
Let's take it off.
What?
Take it off.
Oh, you took your shirt off?
Yeah, no.
No.
Do you see
Oh
me?
my goodness
Do you
gracious.
see me?
Okay, we'll get moving, little lady. Little sister wants to go. Little sister wants to go see the other animals. You want to say bye-bye, Billy?
What happened?
You want to see what? One more minute? Okay, one more minute. Sister
Hi.
wants to get moving. Okay.
Hi.
We're going to go see the, let's see, I think next on our
Mama,
tour,
Mama,
Yeah?
we're going to see the tape.
Sneaky, take it off of my Spider-Man.
What?
Of my Spider-Man shirt.
I know your Spider-Man
The
shirt.
rider's after the tape. We're
Sneaker,
going to see the
take
tape,
it
the
off.
tiger, and the
No, you're not going to take it off.
Uh-huh.
No, you're not.
Sneaky, my Spider-Man
You
shirt.
want to get out?
Yeah.
Okay, Aiden, we're going to be leaving, so that's why I don't want
I know.
She's upset because we're sitting still for too long. She wants to get rolling, okay? We've sat here for a few minutes. We've seen those. Let's go.
It smells like we ate those hot dogs.
It's fine. Aiden, would you like to hold this or no? You want to hold that? Okay. Hold it.
Just amazing. I've never seen anything like it. Never.